Hi everybody, my name is Ravi Kesan. I'm basically from Tiruvalla in Kerala, and I'm a regular reviewer of the Malayalam movies. And for the first time that I'm trying to make a review of a Tamil movie. And in fact, it was the day before yesterday that I have seen this latest Tamil movie directed by Arun Madheshwar, that is DC. And the watching of the DC was in fact an unexplainable experience as far as I am concerned. So in that sense, I would like to say that it's a classic, one of the classic films recently made ever in India, including Tamil. Okay, and so for that particular matter, I would like to give a big clap to the director who has made an excellent and extraordinary talented execution of directorial venture that is none other than Arun Madheshwar. So, in fact, it is an excellent way of executing the film DC that make me an unexplainable as well as unforgettable experience I have ever come across. Okay. Now coming to the another aspect, that is the script again. The script is jointly written by the director himself, Arun Madheshwar, along with one Mr. Arun Ranchan. Then as far as I am concerned, the script of the screenplay, that is the backbone of every movie. And in that sense, this particular screenplay or script of DC, that is another instance of excellent and extraordinary execution. So, in fact, the joint writing of the script itself, I think it might have helped the measure Arun Madheshwar to execute the film to such an extraordinary and excellent level best. Okay, anyhow, that this script also in that particular sense is highly remarkable and extraordinary and excellent work, really. Now coming to the another very important ingredient that made this particular film unforgettable is nothing but the background music as well as music. So in fact, the movie consists of three songs, and out of that, two are in English itself. And coming to the background music, that is composed by Anirudh Ravichandar, and I may to say that it is a marvelous and mind-blowing background that made this particular film to the most unforgettable and unexplainable theatrical experience. So, in that sense, the contribution of the music composer Ravichandar, Anirudh Ravichandar, is also highly remarkable and acknowledgeable. So, I would like to give a big salute to the creative contribution of the musical composer, Mr. Anirudh Ravichandar. Then coming to the another important ingredient that has amazingly attracted me is nothing but the editing contribution by Prasanna GK. In fact, he has identified the soul of that script. He has identified the soul of the music and everything. So, in order to make the film remarkable as well as an extraordinary film, the contribution of the editor is also highly appreciable work. So now, apart from the main ingredients, just like the extraordinary talented execution work of the director, then the script writing capabilities of the director himself as well as the co-writer Arun Ranchan, then coming to the editor as well as that is the background music composer. So I know that so much of rather plenty of talented, highly talented and excellent persons with artistic skill and other things are both beyond as well as in front of the camera. So I do acknowledge the contributions, creative contributions by each and every one of such talented persons who were there both beyond as well as in front of their camera. So I do acknowledge their contributions also at this particular point of moment. And coming to the another important aspect to see, in fact, it will be, I think the contribution of a person who's behind the screen is a casting director. So I would like to give a special mention of the talented contribution of the person, the casting director who was kind enough to identify or to realize or to pick up the most suitable artist to play the characters picturized in the script as well as in the story. So, in that sense, the casting of the main artist, that's Lokesh Kanagaraj, that is an excellent selection by the casting director. So, in that sense, he requires a particular or a special mention of thanks for selecting or choosing Lokesh Kanagaraj as a lead artist to act as the Devadas. Then, apart from Devadas, three other male artists are also there. They are also request equivalent mentioning of their contributions. They are Avinash, then Kasuri Raja, then Jawahar Shakti. So all these three persons are also request a special mention because their contributions to make the film an excellent and extraordinary is also highly appreciable. So in such sense, I think this particular movie, that is DC, is an excellent movie, an extraordinary movie, and it's a marvelous movie, and all above it is a classic movie that can stand taller with any other classic movies made in any Indian languages, including Tamil, for the last 2 or 3 decades. So in that sense, the DC makes it a classical film in Tamil. So once again, I would like to hands off the entire crew of persons, or including technical as well as artistical and persons who are behind as well as in front of the camera for making this particular and unexplainable as well as unforgettable experience. So it's a classical film. Every new Gen C category youth should invariably watch this particular film. They can, or all those youth who are having the passion for watching the film, passion for enjoying the film, passion for making the film, should definitely keep this particular film as a trust book so close to their heart, so that they can repeatedly again and again can watch this particular film for studying so much of things in their coming days of making films, enjoying films, and for identify the nuances and other technical aspects of the film making. So in that sense, once again, I would like to give a big salute to each and every person, especially the director, the music composer, the editor, the cameraman, and as I stated earlier, the person or as a casting director who has selected the most competent and most suitable and most eligible artists to suit his characters. So that is, in that way, I would like to review the latest Tamil movie DC, and thanking you all.